Hello and welcome to my healthy thali. As promised, today's recipe is a continuation of my previous video showcasing the Hyderabadi way of making chicken roulade. Hyderabadi biryani is definitely delicious as it is, but what truly elevates its essence is mirchi ka salan. So today I will be showing you my way of making it into a healthier sauce, and watch till the end to see how you can pair and plate the whole dish in a fancy way. But before getting into the recipe, hit the red subscribe button and the little bell icon to stay updated with more such healthified versions of Indian delicacies. So let's start with the preparation. Take about 6 big green peppers, also known as Bhavnagri chilies. Wash them thoroughly and cut slits into them like so. Over high heat, roast the peppers till their skin gets charred. Rotate them in between for even charring. Peel the charred skin off after taking them off the heat and letting them to cool down completely. Cut the stalks off. Chop 3 of them roughly. In the rest 3, cut the wider ends of the chilies like so in a slanted way. Peel off the charred skin and de-seed the smaller portions. This will be used for plating. Chop rest of the peppers roughly. Over medium-high heat, toast 1 tablespoon of peanut till they brown a little. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and toast them till they turn light brown in color. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of ground desiccated coconut and saute till aromatic. Cool the mixture down and add half inch of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies chopped, roasted peppers, and about 1/4 cup of water and blend them into a smooth paste. In a tempering pan over medium-high heat, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon nigella seeds, 10 to 12 fenugreek seeds and 5 to 6 curry leaves. Now add 2 tablespoons onion paste and saute till they brown a little. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and a pinch of garam masala. Saute everything nicely. You may add some hot water in between when the spices dry out to avoid burning. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder. Saute everything till the spices don't give away their raw aroma. In a pan over medium-low heat, add the chili paste and about half a cup of water. Now add in the tempered spice mix and mix everything thoroughly. Now lower the heat and add in 2 tablespoons of whipped curd and stir everything nicely. Add in about 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste and mix everything well. Add in about half to 1 teaspoon jaggery and some salt to taste. Cook everything for a minute or so over medium-high heat. You have your mirchi ka salan based sauce ready. Now on a medium-sized white plate, pour in about a spoonful of salan based sauce like this. With a fork, connect them into a circle like so. Carefully add the chicken roulades. I have used 3 rounders here, but you may use about 5 of them if you want to plate as per serving size. Add in the pepper cups. Pour in some green chutney made with mint and coriander leaf paste, folded into some whipped curd and seasoned with some rock salt. Drop in some birista strands. If you have missed on the recipe of chicken roulade, then find the link popping above or in the description box below. Lastly, add in small sprigs of mint and coriander leaves. You finally have your plated dish ready to be served. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Find the link to the free printable recipe card of this recipe in the description box below. Comment below the dish you would like to see a healthy version of in the upcoming videos. See you next week. Bye bye.